Okay, this is a tutorial on how to make a ringtone in GarageBand on iPhone for your iPhone. So you're going to swipe down, you're going to type in GAR, you're going to click the GarageBand icon, you're going to go to Create Song, you're going to click Audio Recorder. If this isn't right in front of you, if it's another instrument, you just want to keep swiping until you get Audio Recorder, and you click on Audio Recorder. You're going to click on the icon to the right of the down arrow. You're going to click on the little loop that's to the left of the gear, and you're going to see your file right there in Files. You're going to click and hold, and you're going to drag up, and then you're going to put it on that track that you created. You have to put it on this track, drag it all the way to the left. From there, we're going to click on the down arrow, click on My Songs. It has made your song, and right now this is uploading to iCloud. And then when it's at 0K, so it's uploaded. So you're going to be able to click and hold, and then scroll down, and you're going to go to Share, and then you're going to go to Ringtone, and then you're going to call this My Ringtone, and then you're going to click Export. Okay, we're going to have to rename it, so we'll just call it Ringtone 2. We'll hit Export. And then you're going to click OK. Here's the trickiest part of the whole thing. You're going to have to try to get this little bar under Shared. Click on that to highlight it. And when it gets highlighted, you can swipe up and you can get out of GarageBand. So we're out of GarageBand. We're going to go to the desktop. We're going to go to Settings, and we're going to go to Sounds and Haptics. You're going to click on Ringtone. And there's your ringtone, and it's that simple right there. So hope it helps. Let me know.